Hey y'all, it's your girl Kaylyn. Today I am back with another video. So today we are going to be installing a Kinky curly wig from Elfinhair. I've used them before. It was on 2 pigtails and they sent me a wig this time. And it's Kinky curly in 16 inches. And I've already plucked it and did all the extraness I needed to do to it. This is what it looks like. Get into it. I'm getting better, you guys. I'm so proud of myself. So we're going for like late 1900s look. I don't want to say 70s, 90s, or 80s because this is kind of gonna fit into all of those looks in a way, except for the 70s. The 70s is afros. But yeah. So you saw the thumbnail. You know what I'm gonna do to the hair. So we're just gonna get right into it. So a company actually sent me some wig caps, and they're like super bright, like they're like pale. But listen though. I have like, I'm supposed to always this one? No, this is what they usually send. This is what they sent. That's lighter. This is gonna be like in synced into my scalp. I'm so excited to use them. Let me get the box so I can show you what came in it. But this is what they sent in the box. This is what we're gonna be using. They sent me this elastic band. They sent me a comb. They sent me a paddle brush. And they sent me some lashes. Jesus. But yeah. Like none of them are that color. That's just so cool. We're gonna use these for this wig. I'm actually very, can y'all hear me? Hopefully y'all can. I'm actually very excited to do this. Like super duper excited because I feel like it's gonna be so cute. I got this idea from Kasia Jabri. I love her so much. She's bumper. But she did a headband wig this way. And I thought that was so creative how she made the headband wig do that, because I didn't know what to do with them headband wigs. That's how you know she really do be doing hair. But what was I about to say? Oh. What was I about to say? Oh, but I got this idea from her, so I'm gonna credit her. And y'all look. Y'all see that? Yeah, hot comb. Hot freaking comb. So I was talking too much, so y'all can just watch me do this wig cap thing. And when I put the makeup on, I use the concealer LA Girl in the color Toffee, if I'm not mistaken. So yeah. Who can I love when they tell me I can't love myself? Let me know how in the world could I possibly love someone else? Let me know. Who can I love when they tell me I can't love myself? Let me know how in the world could I possibly love someone else? I need a whooping. That was my problem. I ain't had no whooping. I needed a whooping. I needed one bad. My parents did beat me because I was the baby, and they treated me like a freaking baby, and I was evil. Like, I was really mean.
Was negative. But look though, I allowed 0 touchdown passes this whole season. But unfortunately, everybody just keep running the ball down our throat. That's how it is when you do some lockdown DB.
Anyways. So I'ma make them work just like a bodybuilder. Then I make it sit. Look, you see the difference in color? I don't care. It may be slight, but it don't look the same. I don't like that. I want it to blend. I want it to into my hair. It doesn't do that. I don't know if it's light or darker. I don't know what it is. It's just not the same. After I just plucked it and hot combed it as I per usually do off camera, I said, let me go ahead and just style it on camera and not do them dirty. By the way, Can y'all tell that I over bleached it and they had to dye the knots back black? I mean, dye the roots back black. I hope not. But guess what? I'ma make him work just like a bodybuilder. Then I may consider if he always got his partners with him. Then I leave him. But I'm gonna go ahead and put makeup on the inside of this wig really quickly. And I'm gonna come back because I'm on 27 minutes, y'all. I'm back. And I'm better. I want you down forever. But this is the wig. Y'all see how flat I got it? I really hope y'all can hear me with the stand in the back. But y'all see how flat I got it? Y'all see my middle part? Aren't I getting better, you guys? I'm improving. Yes. Yes, ma'am. Ways. You know, I wonder, am I annoying? I always want to know that. I probably know the answer to that question already, but I really want to know, because I swear I talk so much for so long, but it's like when I talk a lot for so long, it's not boring because I'm actually talking about stuff, but the fact that I'm just talking is annoying. And I want to know, does that bother people? Is that annoying? I'm pretty sure it is, because I don't even like people talk too much. Like, I talk too much and I don't like when people talk too much, so I know I'm annoying when I talk too much. Like, I'm talking too much about talking too much. Who does that? I'ma make them work just like a bodybuilder. Then I make a sip. Oh, I just put this on my hairline, blow dried it on cool heat and medium blow. And then not cool heat, on cool, medium blow. And now I'm about to cut the lace into sections. Quick thing about this lace, I have done like a lot of wigs in the past 2 days, and I've been seeing like the different kinds of lace that wigs come in, and I would like to say that this lace is amazing. Okay? This lace, they did great. They need to keep doing what they're doing because they're doing good, hon. You're doing great, okay? They're doing great. So, just wanted to say that really quickly. And, yeah. So I'm just taking my comb to press the lace onto the glue, and then I'm going to take my Got2b glue spray to really seal the deal. And then I'm going to take my blow dryer and blow dry it on warm heat so that the lace can dry into the glue and it's stuck there for life. I'm just playing. But yeah, that's what I do. Then I just tie it with an elastic band and let it sit there for like a very long time, which is probably when I start flat ironing my hair. So as y'all see, this is kinky curly, so it's like really big, but obviously I want it to be flat. So we're gonna go ahead and start to straighten the hair. I'm gonna use a scrunchie and tie it twice to hold this so it doesn't get like a dent in it, because that would be tragic. And I'm just gonna straighten it, and I'll come back because I don't think y'all need to watch me straighten this hair, because you should know how to straighten some hair. I hope you do. Okay. I straightened it. And it's still big. It's okay though. So now I'm gonna go ahead and take this off. Oh my gosh. Cut on my ears. Now I'm gonna cut the lace off. Ooh. Okay, so I just really quickly off camera, I didn't mean to, took this and like patted it on all the white parts of the lace that weren't like blending with my skin. And now I'm going to take this and some alcohol and clean off my forehead as well as the roots of the hair, because they do have makeup on them and we do not want that because that is not cute. So we're just gonna take the makeup and take this and clean off the forehead, because we do not want. So at this point, I'm just questioning whether I'm blind or not, and as to how I cannot see. Now, there's a whole stack of makeup right there. Like, when am I gonna see that? Am I just in the unknown, in the upside down? What's going on? Ooh. Well, I found a child. Okay. Oh my gosh. There's so much red on all this stuff from this last one I did. But we're going to go ahead and take some baby hairs. I do not want a middle one. I'm going to do 2 side ones. So basically, I just take it out, cut it, and then get some Style Booster Edge Control. Yeah, Style Booster Edge Control, and I just swoop it. And to be completely honest, my edges do kind of be thick, low key, maybe high key, and they do not need to be that thick. So don't follow what I do. I suggest you watch somebody else's video. But this is what oh my gosh, this is just what I do. Yeah. Now we're on to the sideburns. We're getting to the sideburns. I just take a diagonal part. Kind of like that. Let me cut this one shorter because can you participate? Can you act like you want to be here? And then I'm gonna go ahead and style it, so I'm gonna stop talking and hopefully my storage does not run out, because that would be embarrassing. So it all started magical, great, and then the flips just got harder and harder as the time progressed, and it made me sick. It did, yes. Okay, I put on a headband and now I'm just spraying all the curls with this. Okay, so I am finally done. Hold on, can you hear me now? Okay, so I'm finally done, and these flips took forever. They were not giving in. They would not obey, and they still kind of aren't, and it's frustrating me. But it's fine. You know, they're not going to be perfect. They're curls. Curls are perfectly imperfect, and I understand that. So I'm not going to be upset. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, change notifications. I'm just playing. Make sure you like this video, comment. Ooh, now I'm throwing up gang signs. Subscribe to my channel. Follow me for more videos. And the link to all the details to this hair will be in the description below. I hope you enjoy. It's late. I'm tired. I'm sleepy. And I'm gonna go to bed.
Okay, bye.
I can't seem to focus.